We're good. No problem.
Hey, baby.
What's up, guys? Catano here.
Corey Cardwell, para tu salud física.
And today we're going to share with you our total body workout routine. Hey guys, if you haven't already, go check it out. TMS Wear. They have the sickest clothing. All right, the finest threads ever. All right, go check them out on Instagram. TMS Wear. All right, go check them out. You gotta go check it out. Look at this. This is dope. What?
Yeah.
Shout out to Carlos. That's my boy. Body workout.
Body.
So we did, obviously for the deadlifts, we did that works your
That's your
glutes,
hamstrings and your glutes and your lower back. And maybe your traps.
Yeah.
Make it technical.
Yeah. And then for the shoulder press, obviously it's a shoulder. And with this vest, when you did the curls, it's biceps and legs again.
Yep.
And then the push-ups and sit-ups, that's obviously tricep, chest,
And then abs.
and core. Yep.
Yep.
So that was pretty solid, decent. Hope you enjoy the video.
Thanks, guys.
Alright. That's 358 with 43. Whew. We're good, right? No problem.
Hey, baby.
Woo! Hey guys, if you're looking for the best bang for your buck when it comes to clothing, all right, go check out TMS Wear. Okay, let's really take a look and check out. All right, you gotta check out this clothing line.
Yo, it's the best. Nothing but the best right here, huh?
This is fine clothing. All right, go check it out. TMS Wear. You can order it on Instagram. All right. If you need help finding it, just hit me up on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Hit up my boy Corey Caldwell. Anywhere, all right? You know where to find us. What, Corey Caldwell? I know how to say your name. All right, guys. Thanks.
Peace.
Alright.